When you hear about a gaming phone that combines both air and liquid cooling systems, your first thought might be, no way. But Nubia's Red Magic 11 Pro series makes that fantasy a reality. This phone doesn't just pack advanced cooling, it also achieves full IP68 water and dust resistance, something most gaming phones can only dream of. The slogan says it all. Dual cooling of wind and water, infinite combat power. Before we dive deeper, make sure to subscribe and like this video so you don't miss more epic tech breakdowns like this. Now, imagine gaming while your phone stays cool, even underwater. Thanks to micron-level sealing, the Red Magic 11 Pro can handle extreme conditions while keeping its internals dry and safe. It's not just about survival though, it's about performance. You get an insane 8,000 mAh battery paired with 120 double-hour fast charging that takes it from 0 to full in just 18 minutes. That's a full workday's worth of gaming power recharged in less time than your coffee break. What's even better is how Red Magic nails the screen experience. Gone are the days of intrusive punch holes. This beast brings a 6.8-inch flat display with under-display camera tech. The 1.5K resolution and 165 Hz refresh rate make every frame buttery smooth, while the UDC Pro chip ensures no weird dimming or blurring near the camera area. It's a true full-screen gaming experience. No distractions, no compromises. At its heart lies Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, built on TSMC's 3nm process. It's 20% faster and 35% more efficient than before. Paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1 storage, the performance numbers are through the roof. Benchmark scores touching 4 million. But what's really remarkable is that even at this level, it stays cool under pressure. Red Magic didn't just push raw power. They made sure you can actually use it without thermal throttling killing your frame rates, and that's where the dual cooling system truly shines. A 23,000 RPM turbo fan works alongside a 12,000 mm 3D vapor chamber to keep temps in check. Tests show it cuts down heat by up to 8 degrees Celsius, keeping the backplate around 38 degrees even after an hour of intense gaming. That's roughly 40% better cooling performance compared to most flagships, meaning you can finally say goodbye to sweaty palms and frame drops. But Red Magic didn't stop at just cooling and power. They went all in on the gaming experience. There's a new ultra-fast touch control chip with over 200 optimizations for popular titles, 5 and 20 Hz shoulder triggers, and RGB lighting that syncs with your gameplay. Even the fingerprint sensor got smarter and faster with ultrasonic tech, 50% quicker unlocks, so you're back in the game before your opponent respawns. Surprisingly, it's also a solid camera phone. A 50mm main sensor with OIS and a 50mm ultra-wide lens handle shots with real flagship-level clarity. The 32mm under-display front camera gives clean selfies and video calls while keeping the screen flawless. You wouldn't expect a gaming phone to hold its own in photography, but the Red Magic 11 Pro breaks that stereotype with ease. Visually, this phone screams future tech. The transparent back lets you peek at the spinning cooling fan, circuit structure, and dynamic RGB lights that respond to gameplay moments. The 3D micro-textures and customizable lighting modes let you show off your personality and gaming style, because let's face it, part of gaming is looking good while doing it. And then there's bypass charging, a genius addition. When plugged in during gaming, the charger powers the phone directly instead of charging the battery, keeping temps as low as 32 degrees. That means no overheating and a much longer battery lifespan. If you're the kind who plays and charges non-stop, this is a game changer, literally. With all these features, the Red Magic 11 Pro clearly redefines what a gaming phone should be. Powerful, cool, and futuristic. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more epic tech.